कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी ऑफ चाइना जो 1 जुलाई 1921 को कायम हुई थी और इस साल माह जुलाई में सीपीसी अपने क़याम की 100वीं सालगिरह मना रही है। मैं मुनव्वर सईद इस मौके पर चीन के अवाम और क़यादत को बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद पेश करता हूँ।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Dr. Rizwana Sabri, Doctor of Philosophy in Chemistry. It's honor to me to congratulate the Excellency President of Republic of China, the Communist Party of China, the Consul General of China at Karachi, Li Bijian, and all Chinese nation at 100th anniversary of Communist Party of China. The objective of Communist Party of China is to seek happiness of Chinese people and rejuvenation of the nation. Under the leadership of President, China raised the banner of communist system, leading nation from poverty and weakness of old China to the great modern development and prosperity of new China, and proved that the success of any nation is due to broad vision of leadership. China is currently the world's second largest economic power, and we hope will be first one in future. Its gross national income is more than $15,000. Its annual surplus trade is about $200 billion. Pakistan is the first Islamic country who accepted Republic of China in 1950s and celebrating its 70th diplomatic relationship between Pakistan and China. Since last 70 years, China-Pakistan are showing bilaterally fruitful cooperation. Not only China, leadership of China also hope to take the world along, which would end poverty and destitution in the world. China and Pakistan relationship has become a model of economic and political understanding and coordination at grassroots level to macro projects. China leadership focused on geographic landscape of Pakistan and started CPAT for future mutual development and economic growth program. China is trying to benefit other countries as much as possible. Along with its people of China, it has called on other developing countries to work with China to suppress poverty, health, research, illiteracy, environment, and innovative technology. At the end, I am thankful the Financial Daily, the Editor Club, providing platform to express views of Pakistani nation. Pakistan, China, friendship, Zindabad.